Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the level you will feature. Position the camera and avatar exactly where the action begins. Once done, configure your recorder, OBS, or the built-in tool, set 1080p, 3060 FPS, and 16:9. Make a short 10 to 20 second test clip so you can confirm microphone levels, game sound, and frame pacing. This avoids wasted long takes. If microphone hiss appears, lower gain and move closer to the mic to improve clarity. Now you record the main gameplay, focusing on smooth inputs and predictable timing. Disable HUD and notifications to keep the frame clean. Use hotkeys to start and stop recording sharply so you avoid long dead space. Then you can trim excess later. Record multiple takes for tricky maneuvers or synchronized events. This gives you options in editing. While recording, narrate short cues if you plan to keep live commentary, and make mental notes of timestamps for highlights you will cut into the final edit. Finally, you import footage into an editor and assemble the story. Cut dead time, stabilize shaky camera moves, and apply color correction for consistent lighting. Once arranged, add overlays, B-roll, and concise text callouts to emphasize tips. Keep audio levels balanced. Export using H.264 MP4 at 10 to 20 Mbps for 1080p and retain the original audio track for quality. If playback stutters, make sure frame rates match across clips and that codecs are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.